Hello, Assalamu alaikum, namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Chu. Good morning, my honorable mentor, Mr. Jatin Khanna, my beloved Ella, and my lovely youngest brother and youngest sister. Today we have a Spanish day and a gorgeous day today also. And I'm a host of this glory program. I'm Rahul Verma. And this program has been held by Mr. Jatin Khanna. And I'm gonna conduct this program and this program about English because the English is an international language and we are clumsy, callow, learner, beginner, and being a learner is our job to look after our English in the honest way. After this kind of activity, we get a lot of things like first of all we conquer our fear complex. Second is we will get some self-esteem and self-confidence also. After that, we will show our aptitude and we will show our attitude after this program in front of the media, in front of the folks. So today we have a latitude. Latitude means freedom to speak whatever we want in this language because we are learner and we learn new things. And I would love to call Mr. Jatin Khanna in the program deliver two words to students and 4 years to students. Please come on the forum, Mr. Jatin Khanna, and bigger rounds of applause.
Hello, and I welcome to my all students, those who are here. My name is Jatin Khanna, and I'm gonna start this beautiful meeting with my students, and they are going to present their self in front of you in a very beautiful manner, and they have prepared some topics which they are going to express, and I hope that you would all enjoy about. So let's begin.
Our first speaker in this program, his name is Sanjay Kumar Paswan. His topic about struggle. Struggle, like we are in our daily life, we encounter problems, lot of problems. It's called a struggle. If you're a learner, if you're in a job, if you are in any post, you in a struggle, you work hard. If you do work hard, you conquer on your struggle. And after 2 words, he is the Sanjay Kumar Paswan. Please come on the podium, Sanjay Kumar Paswan.
Thank you so much for inviting me here. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Sanjay Kumar Paswan, and I'm the learner of this institute. And first of all, I like to say good morning to all of you and happy Republic Day. Actually, my topic is the struggle. The struggle is what? We have a lot of problems, ups and downs. This is called struggle. And about struggle, we have a lot of struggle. Every person would be having struggle. They all always have been going through this struggle. And suppose that I need something and it is very greatest thing, so we have to face struggle. Like I wanted to speak English. Previous days before, I was nothing in English, and right now I'm speaking in front of you, and this is called struggle. What was my story exactly? This is started from my 10th standard. Actually, one day I was attending my debate competition. What I didn't know about one word, like how to introduce yourself, I didn't know. Recently, I'm speaking in front of you. It means I got opportunity. I got a lot of confidence by the struggle, and this debate competition gave me a lot of fear, lot of experiences. And one friend next to me, he was saying that Sanjay, you are nothing. You can't speak English. You are nothing. You cannot speak in front of the person who's telling to you. And right now, I was not fumbling, and exactly what happened with me, I wanted to share with this story. I started from that place, and I was fumbling, like I was shivering in front of the audience, and I lost that opportunity again. And that day I was thinking about myself, what I'm going to introduce, what I'm going to present here, and I had no word. And then I came back at my home and I sit and I was watching the videos in YouTube, the motivational speakers. I had a lot of fear about the English, and I decided that day I will learn English. I will learn English, and then I joined the Great Institute here, and I was facing a lot of problems by this way, and now recently here is lot of opportunity to like this activities, and this institute gave me a lot of opportunity like this kind of activities. And now recently we have a great speakers, or we have a lot of experienced person, learned person, and Mr. Jatin Khanna is teaching us so much English. Is beautifully way, and thank you so much for listening me here, and I'm glad to be here in front of you all, and thank you so much.
So guys, next speaker is Mohit. He has a beautiful fantastic speaker. So I would love to call Mohit on the podium. Please, Mohit, come on the podium. A big round of applause.
So first of all, my name is Mohit, and today I got the opportunity to speak about Republic Day, and good morning and Happy Republic Day, which are present in this class. So the Constitution of India were made to ready on 26th January on 1950, and 2 years, 11 months and 28 days were taken to make this constitution, and this constitution were made by a party. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was chairman of this party, and this is a special day for Indians. So people of India celebrate this special day as a Republic Day on 26th January, and we're proud of our Constitution, and Republic Day celebration organized in the national capital New Delhi, and where millions of people participate in the national capital New Delhi on India Gate, and New Delhi many works including march are performed by the Indian Army, and the cultural events are performed by the school students, and after that our national flag unfolded by the Indian Prime Minister, and after the which people are come in the ceremony, so they sing a national anthem Jan Gan Man, and after that the annual speech, the Prime Minister of India gives his annual speech, and at Indian Independence Day we all proud of our Constitution, and it has played important role on Republic on India. Chief guests are come in this event ceremony. So guys, thank you for listening me carefully. Thank you so much.
So guys, which kind of trend we need so much? Like we have a textile dress, we have a wearing trend, and we have a very vital thing is English trend. Your language trend is a so vital role in your life, in upcoming life, until now also. Like, and next speaker is very like a rebellious guy, kind of guy. He very naughty in the class, but he speak very nice. And his name is Arjun. He speak about importance of English.
Hello friends, today I am going to speak on importance of English. First of all, a happy Republic Day to all. And so let's start. What is English? Without English we are nothing. But our mother tongue is Hindi. But there are many languages many people try to speak, but they can't, because their mother language is Hindi, and from the childhood they are speaking English. English is the main language which is spoken in the many of the countries like UK, USA and etc. So if we not learn English, so we will regret, because English in India plays a vital role, because when we go to the interview of job, so the members of job say that speak English, otherwise in if we give you the job, so you will speak Hindi, so it may makes our country down. It may makes our industry down. So English is the main source of our life. In many of the things are written in English. Like when we are walking on a road, you saw that on the board there was written in English also, but in Hindi also. So that's why we have to speak English, and if we learn the English properly, so we got a golden opportunity to go outside of the country. And if in India there was only few persons who have gone outside of India with the possible of English. Thank you.
The next speaker is, she has a beautiful and she has like a beautiful tone, and she speaks about poverty, because poverty is in our country and abroad also. So he telling about poverty. So please come on the stage.
Myself Ritika, I want to talk on poverty in India. India known as one of the most developing countries in the world, but there is something that seizes the overall growth of India, that is poverty. Reasons for poverty, well, there are many. Today India is facing many problems: problem of corruption, problem of illiteracy, problem of unemployment, problem of population, so on and so forth. The main reason for such poverty in India is illiteracy. About 28.6% of population in India is illiterate. This is because children in poor families have to work in order to get their daily bread. UNICEF estimates that India, with its larger population, has the highest number of laborers in the world under 14 years of age. The level of economic development in India has decreased below required level. Therefore, this persists a gap between availability and requirement of goods and services. The net result is poverty. Unemployment also plays a big role for the reason behind poverty in India. The current unemployment rate in India is 9.9%, and according to statistics, it will increase to 15.4% by 2020. The price rises affects each and every individual in India. With the hike in gas prices, the price of almost every product in India increases. This is critical for people who are below poverty line, and due to this they aren't able to afford food and hence die of starvation. The another reason for poverty in India is lack of technology. The level of productivity in India is low because of fragmented and subdivided holdings, lack of capital, and use of old methods for cultivation, illiteracy, etc. This is the main cause of poverty in country. People, those involved in the agriculture, are still use the old method to grow up their crops, and note India is an agrarian country, and because of this leads to amount of yield from crops. Corruption also leads to poverty, and due to corruption, the money which is supposed to use in the development of India is wasted. Population. During last 45 years, population in India is increasing at the rate of 2.2% per annum, and on average 17 million people are adding in every year. And due to overpopulation, our government is unable to meet the needs of citizens, and the list goes on. Who is to blame? The answer is open secret. All we need is change. Thank you.
So next speaker is Ranjan. He is also a learner in English. Latest pollution about women harassing, and that's the topic is telling about in this program. Common support and a big applause for him.
Hello everyone, myself Niranjan and happy Republic Day to all. And today my topic is latest pollution. Now you think about what is the latest pollution. Now today I am not talking about air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Now they are all old pollution. I am talking about the very different pollution. Mostly people are know about this pollution because this pollution we are called like a crime, but nowadays this become a pollution. We can say it's a social harassment. We can say rape. It's increasing by day. Old pollution we can say people have something due to diseases and they also polluted our environment. But this pollution are and polluted our environment as well as our society, as well as our feeling, as well as our mentality. People have know about think why we do this. In this disease, people are recovery by the new doctors. We have a better medicine and better medical provide facilities. But in this pollution, we have no any better doctor and any medicine. In this pollution, people have no idea what he do, and they have no any thinking about towards to the any people. They not express our feeling towards to any person. They want to kill herself. They like a robot. They just walk. They just talk. They have no any feeling towards. They not express our feeling towards, and not understanding to what he want. Sometimes some people are recovering by supporting by family and supporting by other people, our we can say society. But some people are not recovering because their family also not supported. They also demoralized because they have no idea they are our child. But it's a wrong. It's thinking. But in my way, it's not a wrong. But people have a mentality show is to do the wrong thing. And thank you. Have a nice day.
Ever you heard about creativity? Creativity is like whatever we do, a new thing is called creativity. Creativity change your ideology, your mentality, your physical way, and your look to other person. To how do you see the look of the other person? That's called creativity. So next speaker is the last of the program, and the program is a speaker. His name is Bipul. He's very rebellious guy and insane guy. So come on the program, Mr. Bipul.
Good evening, one and all. Myself, Vipul. I am going to start my topic, that is creativity. So, guys, what is creativity? Creativity is an act to do something new. Like in India, there are many women. They have lots of different kinds of creativity. Like in a nail paint, I had saw the teachers. There were different kind of design in their nail paints. I think it's a creativity. So, it is the ability to develop new ideas and you can say new discoveries to look upon the problems and find out the different solutions of that problem. It is also the creativity. Creativity is a formula which makes the people different from the others. As you know, everyone has different characters as the others because of their creativity according to their mindset. So, Joseph Scudder, who pointed out the first time that importance of creating new things, and he calls that innovations by entrepreneur. According to Joseph Scudder, there are 5 forms of entrepreneurs that entrepreneurs can introduce in their enterprises. That is, new methods of productions, new sources supplying of productions, and combinations of the factors and responsibilities, and the new forms of business and new source, new marketing and advertisements. So, in a sense of creativity is an adding in value, creating different twists in things to enhance and exist with people's life. Question is, arise that creativity be taught or not? Can be learned? The answer is in the affirmative for many years, because it is a formula conventional wisdom held that they either people have creativity or not. Today's research has shown that any person can learn creativity through techniques and behavior to become creative. There is a research evidence to believe that ideas brought out of a process is squared. Isaac Newton may have hit on his head by falling apple, but he discovered the theory of gravity through a lifetime scientific theory. Just because he have a creativity that there is some force in the earth which attract the apple. That's the force is gravity, which make him Newton to the Newton. So research has shown that human beings have two hemispheres of brains. At the right side, the people think creativity, and the left side, the people think psychological things. And if the people think that more creative, it means they think always from the left side. And the hands we write from the right hand, because we have a mindset that this connect to the left side. That's why I'm creating these things. This is a scientific reason. So that's it I want to say. And one thing more, that make your life creative by creative thought. Thank you.
So, good morning. My name is Jatin Khanna, and I've heard many of the speeches today, and it's been a very wonderful for me by hearing these all videos, and we have learned much more things. So, I'm gonna present myself to talk as a failure. What is failure? Why is failure? And how you become a failure? Failure is very important in our life. We fail, we step again, we fail and we step again. But many of the people are aware of this beautiful opportunity which is failure, and if you get to know about this, like what is actually being a failure, so your mentality and your perceptions towards to the person will be changed. If you haven't failed in your life, it means you haven't learned a beautiful lesson. You have left a beautiful lesson. Because when we fail, then we get a kind of enthusiasm to do something better. And if we haven't seen in our life of a failure, because failure is the best example, best setup in our life, so we get inspired by watching these all people. Sometimes we ignore these things. Many of the people are past, but we just not try, but we hate the people who are failed. We think like he's failed, he doesn't know anything. But actually, the person who's failed, he got a wonderful thing. He knew what he lost and what he's going to achieve. Actually, I'm also a failure. I failed a lot of time in my life, and I got a wonderful lesson to live a better life, to have a healthy life, or to live a very wealthy life. Actually, when I was my schooling, I used to think like that, being a passer, if I'm passing the classes, step by step. When I came in 12th standard, my academic period was very okay. I haven't seen a kind of a failure in my life, but those students who, in my class, there are some students who failed in 9th standard. But actually, I didn't mean at that time for those students, but when I came in college, I learned a beautiful lesson, that is failure. I was not a good student, as I told you. I haven't been kind of a position in my class, and I didn't know actually what is the position meaning. I was a kind of a naughty kid who didn't have a mind in studies, who had a mind just playing games, wandering with the friends, chill out, hanging out, and to visiting the new places. Actually, when I came in college, when it was my first year, I didn't know how it became. I came first in my class. And that was a very wonderful feeling I had at that time, because the mark sheet was in my hand and I just saw my marks and I thought like, how it is possible? What is the position meaning? And at that time I was literally very happy. I went to my parents and I said that, Dad, Mom, I got this marks and I came this position and all. But being a student, I was very happy, but I didn't have a chance to live a life as a failure. But if I say about my life, I have failed most of the time. I have failed in studies because I was not good in my schooling. I failed in my lesson because I was not a good speaker. And my father used to shout me a lot of the time. I used to fail and I used to try. I used to fail and I used to try. But I never left my hope. Actually, if you have a hope to do something, it means that you have everything to do. Most of the people, those who are just sitting inside the room, I hope that you might fail in your life. And if you might fail, so you got a very wonderful lesson. Because you got to know what you have to do in your future. Actually, the person who comes from the middle class family, he has a very blunder or a very heavily kind of the responsibilities on his or her shoulder. And that is how they just try to make their self in a very better way, to be the better in this world. In this entire world, there are very different kind of the elements which always revolves around us. It's a kind of the orbit, if I say, but we do not try. I was just saying, like, if you haven't failed in your life, so you haven't learned nothing. You've lost this opportunity, this beautifully opportunity. But if you fail, you disappoint. You lose your hope. You think that you're nothing. The world has gone very far from you. But it is wrong. It's actually wrong. It means if you fail, you got the wonderful opportunity to embellish your mistakes. But we try. A person who becomes fail, so he needs a guidance actually. If you have a guidance, if you had a support who can help you to lead your life in a better way, so you will be the one of the most successful person in this world. If I say about the most popular and eminent kind of a personality, so actually they are failures. Bill Gates, the owner of Microsoft, he's a failure. Dhirubhai Ambani was a failure. Everybody, if I say about many of the names, actually they are failure, that is why they are successful. If you think that you have passed your 12th standard, your schooling, your college life, it doesn't make any sense. You got to know about the living life. Because life is very tough. We do not know the actually lesson of the life, like how to live your life, how to lead your life. Leading the life is very tough. Because life is not that which you are thinking. In the life, we actually fail, we get up, we fail, we get up, we fail. Actually, we struggle at that moment till we get our destiny. Because it is actually with you, but you need to pay much more attention to achieve or to receive your destiny, which is with you actually. And if you have identified this beautiful stature which is inside of you, it means you have won everything. Because we start fearing, we start thinking the society, what would the society say to me? Actually, if we fail, we care about the society but not the ours. Because I fail, not the society. And who dare the society to say something to me? Because I have a guts to live my life in a better way, and I know what is the next step which I need to take. Because if you won't take the another step, and if you fail, you got to know like the which step you need to take, which is better for you. And the failure knows better as compared to the passes in the classes, not in the life. But the both parameter, if I say about your academic period and your life, the both are very different. Actually, if you pass in your schooling, it doesn't make any sense. You are a very good person who will live their life in a better, who will make a best and the best livelihood, and who will do many more things. But actually, who is a failure, he knows how to live the life, which kind of the up and downs will come, how to handle it, how to face it. Actually, you can make the money. Money can be made by the many of the people. But the first, that is the respect. If you fail and you again tried and you got succeed, it means that you've got a wonderful respect in the society. Because if you have a respect, people start imitating you. People start giving the kind of examples to the others. And this is what we need to learn, and I hope that you've understood what I was just trying to explain by this video. And I hope it would be a nice day of yours which we have spent together. And so I like to end this beautiful conversation and this meeting with a very wonderful day, which is 26th of January. And thank you very much.
So guys, thank you so much watching this video. And in this video, our aim is like we are learning English in this institute, and we are learner also. So in English, like in this day, we face struggle, random topic, and creativity. Creativity is a vital thing in our entire life, and struggle also. Without a struggle, we can't survive. And after that, this kind of activity we do in further until now, we conquer our self-esteem and self-confidence and fear complex also. And thank you for the watching. Share, comment and like also. Gotcha.